Hey guys, this is my Pixel 6a and right now it's completely stuck in a boot loop. It just keeps restarting over and over. First, it freezes on the Google logo and then it reboots again, stuck in the same loop. Even if I try doing a force restart, the problem doesn't go away. It just keeps looping back. So if your Google Pixel is stuck in a boot loop, frozen on the logo or restarting non-stop, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you simple beginner-friendly steps to fix these issues without losing your data. And the best part, this method will work even if your bootloader is locked. First, let's boot the Pixel device into bootloader mode. When the screen goes off, quickly press and hold the volume down and power button together until you see Fastboot mode on the screen. Once you're in Fastboot mode, use the volume keys to scroll and look for recovery mode. But before we boot into recovery, notice this, my device bootloader is still locked. It's not unlocked and we are not going to unlock it for this method. Now go ahead and boot into recovery mode. When you see the no command screen, don't panic. Just press and hold the power button, then press the volume up button once. And there we go. Now we're successfully in recovery mode. From here, use the volume buttons and select Apply Update from ADB. Then press the power button to confirm. This will boot the phone into ADB Sideload mode. And yes, now we're in ADB Sideload. Let's connect the Pixel to the PC and move over to the computer screen. On your PC, head over to the official Pixel OTA images website. First, accept the terms and conditions. After that, you'll see a full list of OTA firmware images for all Pixel devices. Now search for your device model. Since I'm using a Pixel 6a, I'll go ahead and search for it here. And yes, here we can see the list of Pixel 6a firmware files. The codename for the Pixel 6a is Bluejay. Now I recommend downloading the latest firmware available for your device. For me, that's the September 2025 update. Just go ahead and download the right firmware for your Pixel model. My firmware is already downloaded, so I'll cancel this download. But make sure you grab the file for your device. Here is the firmware package for my Pixel 6a. Along with this, you'll also need the platform tools and Google USB drivers. I've added the download links in the description for you. Once everything is ready, let's first install the drivers. Open the USB driver folder and right-click on the .inf file and select install. This will install the Google drivers on your PC. Once the installation is complete, you can delete the drivers folder since it's no longer needed. Now open the platform tools folder and inside you'll see all the ADB and Fastboot files. Click on the address bar at the top, type cmd and press enter. This will open the command prompt directly inside the platform tools folder. First, type the command ADB devices. This will check if your Pixel is connected in ADB Sideload mode. If you see a serial number here, that means the device is successfully connected to the PC. Now run this command. A DB sideload and path of the firmware which you just download, just drag and drop into the terminal. Once you hit enter, the flashing process will begin. This may take around 8 to 10 minutes depending on the size of the firmware. So be patient and let it finish. And yes, the flashing is now completed. The phone automatically booted back into recovery mode. On the screen, you'll see the message install from ADB completed with status 0, which means the sideload was successful. Just press the power button to reboot system now. The first boot might take some time and that's completely normal. So wait patiently until your phone boots into the system. And there we go. My Pixel is now booted without any boot loop or restart problem. Let me quickly mention, this method does not erase your data. My phone looks fresh only because I had no data on it before. Let me open setting and show you the About phone. As you can see, the model is Pixel 6a and the Android version is 16. Guys, we're not done just yet. We actually need to flash the device one more time. Yep. You heard that right. Starting with the May 2025 update, Google introduced a new bootloader behavior. If you only flash the firmware to one slot, it can cause boot issues later. To avoid that, you'll need to flash the OTA update again after your first successful boot. This ensures both slots on your Pixel are updated with the latest bootloader and keeps you safe from future boot problems. You don't have to do anything, just enable developer option and then USB debugging. We will boot the device into sideload mode using ADB command, not using buttons this time. Once USB debugging is enabled, connect your Pixel to the PC again. The moment you plug it in, you'll see a pop-up on the phone asking to allow USB debugging. Just tap allow. Now back on the PC, type this command, ADB reboot sideload. This will boot the phone directly into ADB sideload mode without pressing any buttons. Once you're in sideload, run the ADB sideload command, again with the same firmware file. By flashing the firmware a second time, both slot A and slot B on your Pixel will have the same updated bootloader. This makes your device much safer. Guys, if you skip this step, your Pixel could go into a hard brick state. And once that happens, the only fix is a motherboard replacement. There's no software recovery. So make sure you flash the OTA update again. Once the flashing is done, just reboot your phone and enjoy the Pixel experience. If this method worked for you, don't forget to say thank you in the comments below. And that's it, guys. We've successfully fixed the Google Pixel boot loop, stuck on logo and restart issues using ADB Sideload, all on a locked bootloader and most importantly, without losing any data. If this step-by-step guide helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and please consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps a lot. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.